Hello there.
A mamãe tá fazendo brincadeirinha? Cadê o neném?
Yep.
Can I get a Yahoo?
Oh.
Who's that? Paquita, camínale, si puedes caminar, no te hice nada, nomás le hice los hoyitos. Paquita, mira, nomás te puse un saco, Paquita. Así, así, camina. Wrong.
When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together lives within my heart. And when she was sad, I was there to dry her tears. And when she was happy, so was I. When she loved me.
I'm in the ghetto. He doesn't like me.
Stop it. Love each other.
3, 2, 1.啦啦，哒哒，啊哼，我的心哦，
But as soon as it ended, another one, and then another one, and pretty quickly I was like, okay, something happened. This is not normal. And yeah, just tracked it down.
It's so cute.
Did you not?
Oh my god, it's so cute.
No.
Stop, boy. Not my eyes. Sure, they're my eyes.
So just all kinds of people saying, "What's up, Ethan?"
Cooper, I'm sorry for calling you a dusty chinchilla. Yes, I am! You're not even a dusty chinchilla, you're more just like a Cabbage Patch Cat. I didn't raise you to talk to me like that. I love you anyway.
Toshi.
Why is it spicy?
These little babies are about to pick their very own collars. She wants to go first. All right, little one. Which one do you want? No, not me. One of these. The purple one? Okay. The black one? Okay. Oh, blue. Blue, okay. You like red? Oh, the cream one. Okay. All right, tiny friend, you're up. Black, okay. All right, your turn. Which one would you like? The blue? Orange? Okay. Gray? Okay. Before all the vests on here get mad, I can fit 3 fingers inside every single one of their collars. They are breakaway collars specifically designed for puppies.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Have one. You can have one bite. Sit. Oh my god. It's pistachio ice cream.
So I have a little bit of leftover birthday cake from my son's birthday this week, and I thought it'd be fun to show you guys that sometimes elephants, they like a little treat too. Hey babe. Woo! Look what I got you. Come here, get closer to the camera. Open up big. Oh boy.
Yo, if you follow people because they're cute, cool, because I do that too. But the problem here lies in the fact that you are not following me. I'm cute as hell. What the
I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight you belong to me.
Woody.
Where's the dinosaur? Yay! Yay, dinosaur! You're tired? You don't want to do it anymore?
How is this real?
Say wee. Go wee.
Still trying to catch my cat that ran away during a wildfire. I took your guys' advice and I've covered the traps to make them seem more appealing for a cat to crawl into, and I've changed up the different kinds of wet food that I'm putting on the inside. Removing the food bin would make it easier to trap animals, but I also don't want to start a fight because these are still wild animals out here. Right off the bat, we got Miko, our raccoon friend, and he was kind of interested in the traps, but was more interested in the big bowl of food in the middle, which is okay with me because I don't want to catch Miko, I want to catch my cat. We have been having a slight territorial issue with Ingrid the skunk. Here she is scaring away poor Jimifer. But our little friend Miko remains unfazed. He's come up with a way to sneak up behind Ingrid and still get some food, and that's pretty ballsy to be on that side of a skunk, so good on you, Miko. Then Fred decided to come up and join Ingrid, and he's not the most graceful skunk out there. Nailed it, Fred. Good job. I didn't see any animals go into the traps, just disregard that. But then the next day after I moved the camera, something went in. What do you think it was, everybody? Release next video. Uh-oh.
Nope. Nope. No! Don't you hit me. You're such a baby. You're a baby. You're a baby.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light. Louisiana Saturday night.
Shaka, I want to take a nap. Let me take a nap. Stop.
Mongooses can be good boys too. Mongooses can be good boys too. Mongooses can be good boys too.
Hey Milo, come here. I have something to tell you. So, the vet says you're overweight, which means you're going on a diet.
Priscilla, why are you in the sink? I told you you can't have a bed. Priscilla, I told you this is my bed. You can't sleep in my bed. Oh, Priscilla, you peed in my bed. Did you just eat my Lucky Charms? Don't try to hide from me. Oh my gosh. Are you cuddled up in my face towel right now? Okay, get out of there. Yeah, that's what I thought. Are you actually watching yourself on TikTok right now? Wow, conceited.
Your brother is sleeping. You need to whisper or you're gonna wake him up. Thank you.
I got Pappuccino for Little Russian Lady and Little Russian Lady. I didn't even know that you could order these. I kind of wanted to get one for myself, but that might have been a little weird. Little Russian Lady was very dainty. Blem blem. Little Russian Lady smashed her whole snoot into cream.
What is this? Ben, I need to borrow some soap.
Oh, just a minute.
What? Dude, what are these?
Those are just, I'm
I
borrowing them.
said no more animals, dude.
I don't have any
What
more
are
animals,
you,
man.
a possum?
What?